What's up guys, Kevin Singh here and welcome to another video. Today in this one I'm going to show you how you can turn your Android phone into an external microphone for your PC or laptop. So this method can be really helpful if you are looking out for some alternatives to the very expensive condenser microphones and shotgun microphones. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Right, so on your phone you have to install this application called VooMic. I will leave a link in the description for this application too. So once you got that installed, you have to open it and then you will see the screen, and then you have to just tap on this button right here. That's it. So once you got that done, what you have to do is go to the settings and then go all the way down to about phone and just tap this build number 7 times, and this will enable your developer options. So if you have already enabled the developer options, you don't have to do that once again. You can just simply go to the developer options, and now here you have to turn on USB debugging. So it will be turned off by default, and you have to turn it on. So depending on what transport method you are going to use to transfer your audio from the microphone of your phone to the PC, you have to change it from the settings. So once you click on this, you will get to this window. Here you have to change the transport. So you have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct, and by default it will be selected as USB, which is the most recommended method if you want to get the best quality. But if you are trying for some wireless methods like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can just tap on that and also make changes on the PC as well. What you have to do is go to the web browser on your PC and visit this site. The link will be in the description below, and just scroll down and you will come to these links. So what you have to do is download these two, the client on PC and the driver on PC, these two applications. These are just the normal exe files, and just install them on your PC. So first you have to install the client on PC, and then you have to install the driver on PC. So installing these two files are very easy. It's just as simple as pressing next and then install. So yeah, once you got that done, what you have to do is go to the speaker right here and just right click on it and go to open sound settings, and here you have to come to input and just change your input device to microphone, in brackets VooMic device. And once you got that done, what you have to do is open the VooMic client. And before we get actually open it, what you have to do is go to properties and here go to compatibility, and make sure to run this program as an administrator. So it's not important to run this program in compatibility mode for your Windows, but if you are getting some problems like running or the microphone is not working, so you can just turn it on, but you have to make sure that this is checked right here, so that your program always opens as an administrator. So once you got that done, just open your the application and you'll get to this window. So right here, as you can see here, it is connected because I'm using right now the VooMic on and my phone, just to show how the quality comes is out of this setup right here. So when you will open, it will show disconnected right here, and what you have to do is just go to connection and click on connect. So then you will be shown some options like USB, Bluetooth, etc. So make sure that you select the option which is selected on your phone as well. So like if you are using USB, which is the most recommended option, so you have to select USB both on your PC and on your phone. So once you will do that, you have to click on connect, and then you will be shown something like this on your phone. So all you have to do is click on allow. This is asking for the debugging permission from your PC to your phone. So if you will not click on allow, this will not work. So once you got that done, you will see that it is connected right here, and your transport method will be shown here. I'm using USB, and that's it. That's all for today. You got your external microphone. You have successfully turned your Android phone into an external microphone for your PC or a laptop. So yeah, thanks for watching, and talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.